Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file divorce papers yourself in Washington state. First, confirm you meet the residency rules, which typically means living in Washington for at least 6 months. Next, collect all your important financial and personal records. This includes bank statements, tax returns, and property deeds. Familiarize yourself with the general stages of a divorce, from filing to final decree, to help you prepare for each step. Now, let's prepare your documents. You can find all the necessary forms on the official Washington Court's website. It's crucial to fill out every petition and declaration accurately and completely. Pay close attention to details, especially when it comes to financial disclosures. Any errors could cause delays or issues later on. Take your time to review everything before moving forward. Once your forms are ready, you'll need to file them with the Superior Court clerk in the county where you or your spouse resides. After filing, the next critical step is to properly serve your spouse with the divorce papers. There are specific legal rules for service of process, often requiring a third party to deliver the documents. Make sure you understand and follow these rules precisely to avoid any legal complications. Finally, you're nearing the end of the process. You might need to attend court hearings or mediation sessions, depending on your case. The goal is to reach an agreement on all terms, including property division and child custody. Once an agreement is reached, you'll prepare a final divorce decree for the judge's signature. Ensure this document clearly outlines all agreed-upon terms to officially finalize your divorce.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.